In the market for 40 years, Guerini Planejamentos focuses its works in Sorocaba's metropolitan region, a city that represents the fourth biggest GDP of São Paulo state, placed in a very strategic zone. Located in Porto Feliz city, in the countryside of the state, only 25 kilometers from Sorocaba. Portal Industrial Complex was idealized to introduce Guerini Planejamentos' expertise in construction, reaching out the demands of companies and industries from all sizes and segments. Westrock, Sodebo, Sarsted, Toyota, Eaton, DVR, and others, all established in Guerini Enterprise, opening doors to investments higher than $500 million and more than 1,500 new jobs to Porto Feliz citizens. Nearby the complex, you can find custom stations, freight railways, Guarulhos and Campinas airports, Santos Harbor. All units have full infrastructure, equipped with electrical installations, water supply, sewerage system, soil drainage, and excellent topography. Portal Industrial Complex sums up to 780,000 square meters, including 5 terrains ready to be used for construction. The access to the complex is another big plus to the enterprise. A dedicated road alongside the main road connects the 6 sectors of the district. Only 3 kilometers away from Castelos Brancos Highway, improving logistics efficiency and speeding up product distribution to all Sorocaba metropolitan region, São Paulo State Midwest, and capital. Guerini Planejamentos' main goal is to contribute actively to the growth of the cities they act on, always promoting a sustainable development solution. Guerini has prepared the best spot for you and your company to establish. Bring your business to Industrial Complex Portal SP97.